For round 9, you will need to do 12 decreases and 18 single crochets. This will bring the stitch count down to 30 stitches. Insert your hook into the first stitch under the front loop only. Without moving away, insert your hook under the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull the yarn through both front loops. Yarn over again, pull through the 2 loops on the hook to complete the decrease. Check that the back loops stay at the back. Now make the next decrease in the next 2 stitches. Pick up the front loop of the next stitch and the front loop of the stitch right after it. Yarn over and pull through both loops. Continue making 10 more decreases. Once you've done all 12 decreases, follow up with 18 single crochets. By the end of the round, you should have 30 stitches left. Crochet the rest of the rounds for step 8 of your plushie.